we're going to look at the CoinMarketcap diamonds, which are a daily thing that you can do every day. And you can use these CoinMarketcap diamonds for some NFTs and other good things. So to get started, you would sign up. So go to CoinMarketcap, and then you sign up for an account. And then once you're there, you just click on this little blue diamond thing. And you're at this page that I'm showing you now. So you can see I have 640 diamonds. So what you do every day is you will go here and you'll click claim. You click claim and then you're good there. And you scroll down over here to daily tasks. And over here you click join a airdrop to get 10 diamonds. So you do this. Right now I haven't done it because I need to create a Facebook account. Once I do, I will start doing this one. And you can also do price estimates on 3 coins. So you have 3 diamonds. This one's pretty straightforward. You just go over here. Estimate, so Bitcoin. I will submit one right now on Bitcoin for 2% increase in the estimate. And there you go. So now I made one estimate. There you go. Once all done, you just click collect and it's good. This one, the airdrops are pretty straightforward as well. You'll see the airdrops that are upcoming, so you do the ongoing ones. Click on one of them, airdrop section, click join on the right side. And you need all this stuff, so make sure you make these accounts. I have to make a Facebook account, so I haven't done this one yet. So these are some of the things you can get with the diamonds. So the reason why you want to collect them is you can get these NFTs. Right now, most of them are sold out, but you can start stacking them. And when one that you like comes out, you can go ahead and get it. You can see there's a few of them. There's an Ethermon one, CoinMarketcap. This one's pretty good. A Mobox one. If you're wondering how come this one's not sold out, but some of the other ones are, that's because the amount of diamonds that you can collect right now, the max amount isn't 1,500. So you can check the leaderboard. And it says the most amount that someone has collected over here on the right. It's kind of hard to see, but it says 1,390. That's why the rewards for the Mobox ones aren't claimed yet. Because people don't have 1,500 diamonds to do this one. Quick look at the CoinMarketcap diamonds. You can start stacking them up now and save up for some cool NFTs in the future. Yep, thanks for watching.